Hey guys, Vedant Apps here. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the brand new Apple Watch Series 6. Now to begin, the box is presented in a nice white box. It's actually quite thinner than some of the past boxes. We have a pull tab, and it's just a white box, and we have some of the information written below on what watch we ordered and its serial number. To open it, we're going to go ahead and peel the plastic that is protecting the box. Alright, then this leaves the box itself. So there are some pull tabs here that we can go ahead and pull. And this opens up to reveal some nice packaging, and it's left with the watch and the band. So let's go ahead and set this to the side. So let's go ahead and take a look at the band first. Now this here is the deep navy band. It is the sports band. So there is a nice green little pull tab, and that pulls off just like that. Okay, and this opens up to reveal our band, and it pops out. We have the band, we have some paperwork, put that to the side, and here we have the band. There we go. Let's go ahead and take a look at the watch. Alright, here is the watch. This is the Space Gray edition. It's a very thin box actually, so since there is no sort of charging brick in here. Let's go ahead and crack this open. So let's go ahead and lift this. And here we can see the watch. Let's take a look at the paperwork first. Inside, it's a very small packet here. We have the paperwork and how to charge and pair the watch. The next thing we get inside the box is not the charging brick, but the charging cable. The brick has indeed disappeared from this year's lineup, except for the more expensive models, which makes no sense to me. But here is the charging puck, and here is the watch itself. So this used to come in some sort of a felt-like material, but they have stopped doing that, which is kind of sad. It was a nice material. Here we go. So this watch just goes through. And there we have it, the Apple Watch Series 6. We can put this to the side. So let's go ahead and boot this up. Here is what it looks like. So we have the new sensors here, and the digital crown and side button. And there we go. So set up this Apple Watch, continue. I'm going to set up for myself. I'll hold the Apple Watch in front of the camera. And there we go. It is paired. We're not going to share analytics. Okay. So we can actually adjust this, and it should adjust real time. That's pretty neat. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and create a passcode. Okay. We'll install updates manually. We'll set Apple Pay up later. So there is emergency SOS on this one. You can change clock faces, and there we go. It's syncing. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.